Hi, my name is Carl Minier, CS220, Section 2, October 9, 2017. Today I would like to talk about the company Google and why they are one of the most socially responsible and philanthropic companies today. First, a little about myself. I am a computer science major and I am an aspiring entrepreneur. As of now, I have an Android application and a product in the making. I'm interested in creating a successful company that is socially responsible like Google. The reason I chose Google out of the hundreds of thousands of businesses around the world is because Google has passed the point where most companies start to get lost in numbers. The numbers of customers, the number of investors, and the amount of capital. For many companies, those numbers begin to blend together and the original sight and goals the company once had is lost. They may forget that they once planned to make a difference in the lives of their customers. They may forget they once wanted to make their investors truly feel like a part of their company. And they may forget that the capital gain is not the goal, it is only the result of taking care of their customers, investors, and others. Larry Page and Sergey Brin created the search engine for what is now called Google Search under the name Backrub in January 1996 as a research project when they were both PhD students at Stanford University in Stanford, California. They later changed the name to Google, which was a misspelling of the original word Google, which is the number 1 followed by 100 zeros, to signify large quantities of information provided by the program. Google Inc. is an American technology company created on September 4, 1998 that specializes in internet-related services and products. These include online advertising, online search, cloud computing, software, and hardware. Google uses computer science to create a community, bringing those in the field together to work on projects to change the world by creating and using platforms for smooth communication and integration. Google has used open source of its code since it was a small company. Google believes that open source is good for everyone by being open and freely available. It enables and encourages collaboration in the development of technology solving real-world problems. Companies have a responsibility of bettering the world for the people of not only one country, but all countries. I believe Google is socially responsible because they use their services to the best of their ability to make great changes from rural to urban areas all over the world. Google proves they are one of the most socially responsible companies when they created Google.org, which brings the best of what Google offers to nonprofit companies for things such as connecting people with jobs, translating books to improve education around the world, using data to uncover racial injustice, and helping students pay their way through college by working on projects with Google. Google Summer of Code for students allows students to submit to be chosen to work on open source projects rather than taking jobs that would rather waste their talents. They are mentored and also have the chance to receive a stipend to pay for their college tuition if they do well enough. This, upon many other things, shows Google's initiative to change the lives of many diverse people through computer science. Google has made large leaps for mankind in all corners of the globe through what they do best. They create communities of talented programmers and engineers to work on the most prominent issues facing people today for a better tomorrow. I believe Google's philanthropic view will continue to make great changes, and I will continue to aspire to create a socially responsible company as they have. Luke chapter 16 verse 10 says, "Whoever can be trusted with very little can also be trusted with very much, and whoever is dishonest with very little will also be dishonest with very much." Thank you.